In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Figma page from one file to another. This is a super common task for designers. Whether you're tidying up your project files, merging designs from different iterations, or perhaps taking a component library page into a new project. While Figma doesn't have a direct Move Page button that transfers it completely between files, we can easily achieve the same result using a straightforward copy-paste method. This process accurately transfers all your designs, including frames, components, and text layers. First, open your destination Figma file, the one where you want the page to end up. Once you have that file open, navigate to the left sidebar where your existing pages are listed. You'll see a plus icon next to the Pages heading. Click on this plus icon to create a brand new, empty page. This will be the canvas for your incoming content. For better organization, it's a good practice to immediately rename this new page to something descriptive, perhaps mirroring the name of the page you're about to move, or simply calling it Imported Page for now. This ensures you're pasting your designs into the correct spot and keeps your files organized. Next, grab the content you want to move. Open the original Figma file with the page you wish to transfer. Locate and click on the specific page in the left sidebar that holds all the designs you need. With that page active, select everything on it. To do this efficiently, use your keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-A if you're on a Windows or Linux machine, or Command-A if you're using a Mac. This instantly selects all frames, shapes, text, images, and components on that page. Then, press Ctrl-C on Windows or Linux, or Command-C on Mac, to copy all selected content to your clipboard. This effectively takes a complete snapshot of your page's design. Finally, bring your designs into their new home. Switch back to your destination Figma file, to the new empty page you just created. In the left sidebar, click on that new page to make sure its canvas is active. This is crucial for correct placement. Now, simply use your keyboard shortcut to paste. Press Ctrl-V if you're on Windows or Linux, or Command-Phi if you're on a Mac. All the content you copied from the original page will then appear on this new page in your destination file. Take a moment to review to ensure everything transferred correctly. Elements might shift slightly, or specific local fonts might need relinking if they aren't in your new file's library. Once confirmed, you can delete the old page from your original file if no longer needed, completing the move. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to move a Figma page between different files. This method gives you full control and flexibility when managing your design projects. If you found this guide helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more Figma tips.